Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Guys already know I'm back with another video, and that is on period, you feel me? I apologize for snatching my shower cap off like that and starting the video off like that. You probably want to click off now by the time you've seen that and be like, moving on to somebody who's a little more professional, but I'm sorry, but it is what it is, and they do what they do here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today, as you can clearly see, I'm just going to be installing my wig. I'm going to do the traditional way I usually install my wigs. This is what I do whenever, I don't really want to be sitting up close to a mirror and doing little details. If I just want to apply my wig real quick, throw that bee on, make her look real good, go out, show out, you know what I'm saying? This is the type of video for you. As you guys already know, I don't like to sit here during the whole video, run my mouth the whole time, yada, yada, yada on about it. I don't like doing that. I definitely want you guys to, watch, see how I do this. I will be fast forwarding it through a lot of it just to, save you the time. But this is if you want to install your wig real quick. If you guys have any questions about the products that I use, definitely leave a comment down below. I definitely answer you guys without a problem, without a question. Just in case this is your first time being here, I have a couple of videos with this wig that I've installed and everything. This hair came from AliExpress. I forgot what kind of hair it is exactly. I know I always get body waves, so this hair is originally body wave. But the funny thing is, this hair literally looks completely different from the way I got it. Usually I record or make a video on me changing my hair and what I do to my wigs, but this time I wanted to dye the wig, and that was my first time dyeing the wig, so I definitely didn't want to like really record that and then mess completely up and then lead y'all to the wrong way, the wrong direction. The wig that I got, it was light brown, and the curls were a little more like, I want to say looser. They were definitely looser, but right when I dyed this wig, and the wig, not the wig, but the dye that I used for this wig, it came from Walmart, and it's like a sapphire black. The dye that I used for this wig, it literally changed the whole pattern of the hair, the whole structure of the hair, and now I love this wig a lot more than the way I got it. Long story short, if you're looking for the name of this dye, in one of my couple of last videos, I believe, I left it down in the description box down below. So if you guys are looking for the name of that dye, you could probably find it there. If I can find it myself, then I'll definitely, leave it in the description box. But long story short, you guys definitely need to get that dye. The dye really changed my wig. I love that dye, and for now on, I'll probably be using that dye until I can find something better, of course. But that dye I definitely felt comfortable with. It was an easy application, and my hair is still going strong and jet black, and I love that dye. So you guys definitely need to check it out if you guys love black hair at least. To sum this all up, I do want to say that I make these type of videos because doing hair is so relaxing to me. I just like to just relax, do maintenance to myself, get my hair, sometimes get my nails done, face washing, hygiene, all that stuff and everything. I think it definitely helps us out as, women to feel confident in our skin and to feel, just good all around. So that's why I always, upload a hair video of me installing a hair video, not just because, oh, I do hair, because I really don't do hair. I just do my hair. But I like to take time to maintenance myself because, us women, we definitely need to keep up with our appearance as far as loving ourselves, because when you look in the mirror, you're the first person you see. The way you look really does matter to you. It should definitely matter to you. If it doesn't, then, that's fine as well. But I think it has a lot to do with, our love for ourselves. And if you take care of yourself, I feel truly that, you appreciate yourself, and, there's nothing wrong with taking care of yourself or, maintaining yourself. You know what I mean? So don't let anybody tell you, oh, you're doing too much, you're looking too much, or anything like that. If this is what you like to do, this is what you like to do. If you don't like doing your hair, don't do your hair. It's up to you. It's whatever makes you feel confident, beautiful, just feel good about yourself. Do what you feel makes you feel good. You guys already know how this goes. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any comments or any questions or anything you guys want to talk about, or you guys need any information, again, leave it, comment down below. I see you guys' comments, and make sure you guys follow my social media. I'll leave them down below. I see you guys, I hear you guys, and I definitely want to help you guys out. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video.